Good morning, everyone. My name is Damon. I'm coming from Team Gillman Honda, located on Highway 45 in 1960. And today I just want to take a little bit of your time and show you a quick tutorial video on how to defrost your front windshield and also your rear windshield. For those mornings when we need to get out, it's very important that we are able to clearly see the road to be safe. And I want to make sure that we are able to do that.
Okay, so we're going to start off with a hybrid Accord Touring, one of my favorite vehicles. As you can see, it was a long night and it's a lot harder to see out of this windshield up front. Not only just the front windshield, but as well as the rear windshield. So let's go ahead and head inside and see how we can clear that up for us. Okay, as you can see here, we have our panel here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press this button right here. It's going to activate our front defrost. And then what I'll do the exact same for the back, and that's going to be for our rear defrost. And we can just wait and see exactly how this turns out. As you can see, this is a much clearer view for us, a lot better for us, a lot safer for us as well. And we'll be able to go ahead and take off and start on our day with a nice clear sight of the roads. Thanks to you all for your time.